Episode for a higher juicy news. Mema Obibia Aquaba. I had the latest hot Nkwa Enamede Bremo. Anunti so we subscribe to channel dia Bomodia say over subscribe. The way the say over click the subscribe button no. Na wa barely notification. We understand new video be upload no. When the first person what's ebeka sa video. Afi we are na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share na or for so na when you be and share na wo and someone ekoso e wo Ghana memo adam afi yebura ye and someone ababeto yepono so mumaiti eye sankomo ya ababeto jai sanse me ekoso mumaiti inti da
jasam enewo yo medase me America ni say NPP edinkugo the last election to say reorganization of the party. Dr. Bawumia Koranda will invite other contestants for unity's sake. Say important. See you never call any. But Oshe in your ma Ekosuni Yana. Me say semi free more. Ebeboa Dr. Bawumia no why because tension ne womb send ni pebia ball humpo so kasa na mo media for izumuka ho. Yebekasa yem free program na sekrane all over the place. And some will be all true, you will be all twisted on easy. If he say Nipa me no monamno mean to me and protect you because okay binomo any preset by hook or crook. I will say one candidate near Deneba. It is a uko baby crown will be a show t-shirt na eko bruno. Emfa and kabumba. Intimeno for the sake of party and for the sake of unity no and I'm withdrawing Namashe akolana ya won sikan no nie you see we are taking politics too low because enye memrantie kura no mu na mo afedi students sika just 1,000 cedis a branch of the mass students and at least Raj security odumbai but before sebeko no credit mebo untumi abaso Ushene kasa okaye 2 places in here. Utim say he's rare, he means unity. Udia say I was surprised. Because they na me namkwaso ebe ye program ameba. Ena abrantie ekoche students omo ebe shi jama wo. Sa intolerance no ebi no say. E obekono ye wo Bawumia ladies, I don't have a problem. Enti so biba na mikrana minim ye kodidi from ebuakwa na ye ko banners kodidi tie ba en be share crowd ni na amanfo organize students ni as can ladies. Now I don't want to take the shine from Dr. Bawumia because no kreni ono na oye flag bearer into ono ko dance na si DH. I don't want to take the shine dimeno e wa na mrem na mka se o mon court na chiri eno mbe frosro ho ejina ho you know students Omoshi Jaman cry bo me de me frɛ wo mu a me ma wo science wo nya kra na aginja wo and ya wie kama untumi spoke well pi e free ono a me nam kwa so ne friend say ya wo student ne ba ko sikan na omo rush no to Central Hospital nam so we den enu say omoshi Jama wie no me amenyonko baako and o ma wo mu 1,000 cedis or the 1,000 cedis mana at least right security no the buy no o mu hwim sika no free students in some and only o mu ye argument students no so o mfa o mu sika ma wo nti nipa no this kan ma wo mu kra kan say no students no and am the ma wo mu o dia say and nti o mu yi mu 200 na students so o mu do so chain sa 200 no the amawo the omoye hehe na omuma warning shot first ombe wurem kra we yitio chiro no so omum firi honko just say they are so intolerant
nipa krono we hwan
oye the so called security at least Raj edumba no kreni ye kwa around Bawumia security I know them TSC for more ye chechi I ho ye din komo ene it is only Kumasi and at least Raj eko fast our boys ya omo begu party n'animase
at least Raj no pacho or ye dear party
minimum I knew him from America. Oba a big man was security. Benim. Yeah, no one count. He bedroom Kumasi or count. Now, boys, you know, only a very smart. They took the car number. Yeah, Hunsa Toyota Haze. No, he bedroom Kumasi Kwani security for Namini Hontino. Beginning of the scene, crash as no more preventing students, not to sink. For me, no more so resisting woman. I was not there. I'm going to you at the children. And like Joe, like we have the bullet. Boys, no, you're smart. Almost Fabi, pallet, no, the core, police, and woman. Now, the entire me would draw to say, and we are no more a dimachino. I almost share my vision. My friend, the students in Pony, Nanya, a bedroom ambrantins. Timothy said, we have to stay away and let Dr. Bawumia continue on his tour. Visa Ebeboa. But we will also regroup ourselves at an appropriate time. Bibi also to me a boa party. Bibi I was saying to enhance my chances here. And I'm taking this opportunity to tell you that I'm going to contest. And they will contest until they should be ready. Whatever they want to do, nobody can stop me from contesting. Party build their check. New entrance. I will name the history. I'm glad to say. A general secretary say this time by May or the people that have sacrificed why NPP came to power and everything. And the men can't for the sake of unity, me general preach unity and yet and I may be general a preach violence. No. Only himself me normal star and can retaliate easily. Because we know the guy and can retaliate. But or retaliate and a Kennedy Agyapong you say, hey, as someone a bronye, Mignon Copano, they will see good many massy away. Now, who say group will be the Dr. Bawumia Chia on Pesame Casa, no more twisting. I've seen a publication, Kennedy Agyapong backs again. Jack, and you may be a Omuya Moko around, will be Casa and a Maya lose election. Eh, Casa, Omukawo, primaries. Say nipa baako de no nipa baako de obi anti ni Kennedy Agyapong e respond to yenko an yeti mesre NPP4 so one-sided politics no emwoye. I believe say if we are not united what the Yesu Christo bakra NPP can win, and the history will tell you from 1979 between Pauli and Victor's. Into Omwa, Emrantia Bemo so aggressive. Yes, I read the history. I'm glad say General Secretary say or the senior man a betchere in Namu. Na patapa semno near Yem Pinania near the Atum chain. Near to me a winning 2028.
Me Macatro Minjaika, me Pesaw Tom Wase. Me Yan listening. But me drink Ghana, that's all. On my Ghana, ni hear me champion, NPP party do a guba. Me catch them say 2023, me shall say 2023 August. Me catch was a party ni begu. Aje near me be wa esese ye yo ya nya party no ebegu. People thought I was just joking. Me baby I see NPP from I was sunyane. Let me jina ho me hu. Ade bia ye was sunyane me nka da. Sa ade bia ye was sunyane no. Na me jina ho na party ne mpanimfo na wo mo koi den no. Wo mo ye me hu. Meaning from the crane to crank. Akufo Addo. Remember what dance for? Hakman or Uswajman. Thomas Brony Wu. J.H. Mesa Oko. But and Kwakrafone Tiaserin and Busawan. They are called Susiane, Menitium, and election. Many etiam party no guba ya nye careful ahụ hwe ọ sɛ hwe ma me nchewa de bi 1992 1996 2000 2004 even 2008 we bought NDC in Ashanti region down what time yesheda we were able to institutionalize that. So Ashanti region 1996 2000 which we share this t-shirt in Fabie Beboa me ose share my nyere nti se kokoso hene kura wa film share me operation pa Belisa branch na ye Ghana ha no wo boa we share this t-shirt wa Ashanti region kuma say abonte so who born dog we ya yeah, lose 1996 me this one the wholesale wine yeah working towards 2000 beside this for so na rally no want to be here the same want to see some be constituency rally watafo na e ko hwegu ye obudo e say uti edi budo ye fa budo na yakoma yanka na yakofa dada ni ye de ali asoso akwaba ko o mfa no sunsum na wo betwa rally no BSS John the wukami na dance ma wote ye na ye nim no na omu nim no me de na nim no je Akufo de feel London buy be the GMPC executive secretary oba afofo na Akufo nim no gwa Sir John me dibri ka kwa na Sir John wo mu gwa no say we nipa Kennedy sifo no munya no oka ho tafo won say won de wo mafunu e de second chechere ho e wo sinima ma wo nipa ye ma ne beto fam. Do you have an idea? I am a music for me chechere NPP as madam ho ya besre ba no pe mu nda nyame asema me yampara o then onim woma furu sekan shet yet woma chechere sekan na fa woma furu no and womo dey wo ceiling so na woni payem bo alaji sani na ma mo fra alaji sani ma me edu ba bi na alaji sani so shemo ba bi obe papa masuma ma me alaji sani otiase onwuyi busare ne ma ye okumase eti etoda 2023 2024 of February I say hey eti wunie wona nda wo ka bi ba ndisi wa me ma ye dwagu alaji sani so okwada so a 2000 ewuradia alaji sani ani hu nani abre oye dis aduma me bo akoko so hina ma ne o se me won kran ma bolu ma no ho na wo ye den me se me samachi na me ko school that time na me dawa pam secondary school o na me wie school afia koko so hine say that time anya koko so hine o say eso ye bibi na me se bati me bibi Kalaji Sani no dia shame boys no from no onya daje no fa the phone ye na Alaji Sani ntimi mfre boys no boys no be save Alaji Sani and I'm so specific instruction don't touch him make sure so obedwane afri ha said ye be ya the omo person omo ye okwada so ha no emba so and dem ya ye okrom ha no me my catch was a Ghana first. The way now NPP could want say NPP etimia will be sekan e wo kumase they are dangerous for the party. Me nya no ntina me ba adwuma nne bi e kire hotum enye MPP ntina me ba adwuma nne but me party na da ho no minim party ni chen de course wo sunyane de course wo wanchi minim de course wo wanchi ye bo kwan no ye yo de course wo wanchi it be 2020 NDC winning wanchi seat no still amentiase befia besi ne because wanchi de ala nya alaji akwa na oba na oba ye nyankoma de ne ka kire yen se wo boa wanchi de buzi anti NDC ntime win da small boy and of fast Srem ho baby kofa bibi ba ye ehwem 2020 ye lusu wanchi seat besi ne Professor Jamba for afani tim on tiasie da we never thought amba ye timu da see betimi ye lusu wanchi seat because let me tell you high kwan ho yes crime has no expiry date wanchi oh come on NDC ban winning wanchi seat what are you talking about Biso Bia when she NPP candidate be on your campaign on am not chacha. Paupwa. But then at yes we say boom. A pro. She vote NDC nya ye o bantama. Na ye vote NDC nya ye o kumewu. That should send a signal to the new patriotic party. She vote NDC nya ye wo bantama me de bia no Asante region NPP me de bantama ene kumawu na ye me analysis today bia ye kwato aba na ma hwe bantama first NDC nya say then I can tell you say NPP be lose election and NPP be win election me dimilika na makohe kumawu constituency wo mo tra 5,000 per asamaba kumawu send this in the candidate otimi di wo mu vote extra just even 5,001 per MPP be lose election bantama kumawu is that the ye o kumawu yenim the ye o bantama yenim ye won krofo bi o mo de wo ma ho den ni wo mu bibia to ho ma party no but you tell us oh sa chimfo na be di party na nim no wo me amambefo of the NPP party me nso bia okrom ha wo to be honest with you I want to sound so respectful this morning because I know jet home enya chimfo nyina na te sa wo da bi because you watch chimfo mo ya NDC for you watching for me very, very, very loyal to this country. But watching for now led by Akufo Addo. When be the NPP, these guys when we are murderers. They are political murderers. When we are terrorists. We must say, Bibia, and the NPP ni war NPP ni second. I will come say, really? How can you tell me say you are doing a thank you tour? Na thank you tour ni mu no. MPP ni atwese kan e de awo MPP ni wow. 1996, 2000, 2004. Na ye MPP, na ye say. NDC fo subai. Mafia abrepo. MPP for bu MPP ni etimi ye de hyezuom e de hye NDC sa akwane ye NDC ni akwane suin ya so boa wonya MPP ni wo ye NDC ni me na me ka kire wo ye friend bibi Sule was I forgotten the name me onwu you say oh ye MPP ni typical ye bu no pasa ba ye hwe se de ade de se yakona ye mani dead decide MPP na abu MPP a asembesi ne yesi wo ye ndisi ni abranche bi be ye chief executive no wow Kennedy Agyapong radio station your friend Lord Inusa that no wow Ash FM 101 point BB me refi de so no yeah orchestrate yeah plan no yeah the best console yeah this ni na NPP ani mangu ase say yeah NDC time and NDC wa bam ena abrante ya okofa President Akufo the letterhead church letters to call banks any other places now mutabamba so yeah NDC ni a ewurade nyankopon. But look at how we manage the situation. That time, small boy. Little boy. I was a little boy. Now me Dimrika. Now Papa be war Central Region. No, a GBC reporter. Your friend no is it Evansedu? I've forgotten the name. Obema report. My wife will say yes. Paddy Nama report. Me, former University of Ghana Vice Chancellor Asenso. Now for back with friend Abuaji. Me can't say my body because me pay yes you. To be if ya to go Hong Kong concert me and my friend Markin say fear Abraham buy no sisi no kubisa no. Enti me he sankrofo wo fear ka me ho asem kire fear ntimi kan kire me because me ba ho amebusa wo. E fear ntimi kan ona to no hostel no. To can ba sam kire no te ya no wa edi. On to be mechanic because me member ho because me nyai. E say some mpabu ase monti obi atan ye say emia. Sana me medianity o enye me ya me di mo hwe. Sometimes when I go on social media and I watch the things people have written said about me, I'm like me Pentecost chamo no poku yin ye. And my BC, me majo, my bisika, and a Captain Smart, I say, Abroche from Marseille, and then they say, Opokina, one day, I was to wound a car once I was a papa, but still, Cathedral and say at your Pokuina. And no found no, Debbie. But me fi Cape Coast, me quarter the small boy. Not Jacob Bilam to Mama, me car, me team small boy. Me negotiate on behalf of the New Patriotic Party. Because I didn't mukta bambaye no. And what she? Ya grow one a big goo oluman animase, a good party in animase. Today you are sitting somewhere and thinking that who wouldn't party no. What's it? Who and there who say me share some miracle sabuajo se miracle abuajina na me boso from me. Me, if I wanted to be an MC, the first list in 2001, let me do your number 3. Bisa Asante NDC for National Organizer, your friend say. Joseph Yamin. And maybe Joseph Yamin Babi show so I hear the Benta. I was Fox FM. Oh, I feel me who answer I did not tear fast. So Joseph Yamin didn't yes me. Besides Joseph Yamin. Otiasi Omui. Also no kasi him your copy of the list. Moko be say nipa no person here DCE no. Aka me ko di gomu DCE.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best.
I was the third person. Go and check the original first listener by now. Me the film. I went to Mark Teresa. No catch so lady. I dey we Sulban ba me trouble people. I was a little boy. Me I felt baby in high school. Youthful exuberance. Give it to me. A gentleman, they'll kill my political career, even if I have it. Where am I?
In all humility and then with all respect to the New Patriotic Party, Nijidi say, Sir, Jumedi Omudi, almost your friend, thank you talk. Yes. Ubia and see Omukwan, but they had during the say, I say, Omotina say, Edwin who say, Omokosa, and Ebia to Prubi, and Oman Tiasi. Because so much I say they receive the original plan. Say Dr. Bawumia, ana na eko ana otwe nipa nyina be kan wa obi ansi omokwan but the national executives of the party no once it was a thank you to an meant for any particular party leader or a former aspirant biano. There's a thinking that there should have been specific roles and responsibilities for individuals that carry on maba. Say yanko dasi. It will do as dana. Oh no befa a kenke for. You do as dana. Befa a pim for no. Oh you do as dana. Befa a sichiri for no. It will be a cut out. Yeah. As da enye bra ye ko jina ho. Na we aka e sha se takorade e wedo mbasa asa ko pie sha be wi okumase we nya aseda o we ye ti say the professor Michael Kwe na ko ba o ko no akwakosia no ba akwakosia no akwakosia partner party obi afi so e tough obi e kana adwene there be
and I get you in a sense it looks disorganized,
very disorganized
all over the place,
very disorganized.
And see akwa say the real purpose no was how koda party for us here. Usoro na wo kasa oh yedam ase enye ho na wo say account nyoma mulusu
total deviation and
how do you go and talk about nyoma mulusu
total deviation and it's a big blot on this national executive
because nyoma mulusu power has been captured in a report. That is not where you're going to talk about those
total disgrace,
especially when any closed door meetings.
Of course,
not media.
Yes,
you don't talk about new report more.
Well,
which report I also won't find to
so the person draw my attention. There's too much drama and account drama in the NPP. There's too much drama. They are coming across on daily basis that they are so disorganized. Within split seconds, as if they were full of themselves. Say they had won the 2024 or 2025 election because with just a normal process. Please, you cannot lead a country with this attitude or mindset. And you plus or minus, win or lose. So you be prepared for each of them.
I agree with you in that. I don't know the considerations among National Council.
Why?
It take key. Thank you to in and of itself name bad. But for me was it
what you are witnessing is it a thank you to?
No, it is
thank you to Kennedy Agyapong a press conference out of the thank you to. Thank you to Anna and no matter how do ebini. Thank you to spillovers baby. Why? The NPP, why?
I think they completely missed it. I don't know, say because of the time and say a buy immediately after.
But if I say
Michael Query,
if I say in all humility,
I don't think you have to go there and be talking about Mulusu.
If I say in all humility,
this platform,
in all humility, and with the biggest respect to them, it was not well thought through.
Yeah, it's looking like it.
What I say?
It's looking like
what I say. It's a non-deal but clear lobby.
Yeah.
Now, the party within 3 seconds for just 4 months. Donations that you are receiving on behalf of your party people, even though there was a need to empower your party people, was to pay staff salaries. Party be party be stuck with my goodness. Please.
Yeah, and I think Cecilia, the party delegates, and for the two parties, delegates should take a cue. Say any national executive aspirant or promise and as I was a party, my partner starting a business, my partner Timinia company, my partner Timinia Juma, now yes can be a party for Sanimania intro. Because executives after executives bar, they all come with this point here. They compare Oko ANC or South Africa or more shares or MTN more in the Ghana between your parties are party Nina intro. So party Nina really power say Kim. They always expect a Jubilee House and a very release car for party operations. And the delegates should know. Say Obia this our promise unless say Obia we show clear plan. Some business and person party engage in ni women na many o makasa omu hia bibi say for us to own shares in this company anya sadia omu nyina sa promise ay entro when they come and maintain the party our power onya free power 1 month light bill or crowd or party office. No,
what kind of life is
it? It simply doesn't make sense. I think the NPP should take a cue from what's happening and see, sir, in opposition, if you want to win back the trust of the people, you have to come across as very organized. You should be on point. Everything about you should not be what we are saying. It clearly shows, sir, it's completely in disarray. Completely in disarray. Because so share the thank you tour. But I, for once, even think, say, someone call thank you tour. Why should so many people be talking? I don't also be a Kasabi. I don't understand. It will be regional chairman Bekasa, national chairman Akasa, general secretary Akasa, aspirant Akasa, constituency chairman Akasa. Everybody is talking, and they don't also stay on script. Say, Kasa yebe Kasa, you know, that party for us. Eho, and yebe elections. Sika we mo deba and go through eho. I mean, how do you say all these things at the thank you talk? It simply doesn't make sense. I think the party should, if they decide not to stop, number to Aswa. Behind the scenes, they should rejig this thing and get it properly back on the road. What we are seeing in the Aja and Koyi and an opposition party should not be sending that signal. The optics ain't good for a party like the NPP. It's not good.
You know, and they be the Mecca say, well, that's my observation. I think the NDC is better whipping their people in line, much more better than
than the NPP. No, the NPP feels that members are somehow emboldened. They're part way there. To me, come again. I mean, want to me, so we are party of independent thinking people. Anyway, but for every political party, once we talk, says, or maybe to power, you need discipline. Why do you think, say, in a political party there, you don't need discipline?
That is where
the party will be to me, just like that. No, you don't do that. You don't do that.
Over Dompreh, MPP or NDC.
There are rules and regulations all in line. What is party minority caucus here taking position? Maybe I'm a MP. Make me about no my back criticizing minority caucus position. I made the BB
on both sides. In fact, it is not far from right by saying normally because when NPP NDC pencil we told them that once you need power be mindful of never be more because what is power. There are certain things that they have said in the that also good and healthy for this country. And then abeye albatrossa please, we don't sit here to do those kind of criticisms now. Because only a potential leader of this country, all parties, MPP and NDC, each of you are potential people to lead this country. It's only a question whether in power or in opposition. In this case, the New Patriotic Party. You cannot demonstrate this attitude. You cannot show this unreadiness and unpreparedness, even in going for a thank you to structure. And you thought that if we had given you the helm of affairs of this country, now one can say, I must work 20 and I don't do something. And I say, by now they can more handy. It will say, and now a peace of mind from creating because whether we like it or not, we are part of this country's development and forward march. The country's growth and development, all of us are involved, especially these two major political parties. We can't do without you people. Let us have our peace of mind. Party back and people whose lives are dependent on political parties. More revising notes. It should be few people. A party power or little power. Everything about whole life is just grounded. Why?
The whole life comes to a halt. Why? Gordon Asare Bediatuo says, Obi, Dr. Bawumia's national thank you tour would continue as planned, but I suggest going forward, all speeches must be scripted. All speakers must submit their speeches to the General Secretary for screening before mounting the podium. And I think this should have done it before.
We don't need God and for the can say a bunch of disorganized group. So what I say, and I won't hear aspect. These are seriously revered politicians and individuals. It is the trans crown a cancer walk or mine and the okwa fa this lane into no bibi a fahubiano casafan de mawakoya research. These are people who in quote claim to love the party.
Yes. And sometimes I think as national executives, and that's why you would always love someone like Asiedu Nketia. As national executives, you cannot please every party member. It doesn't work. You can't please every party member. Say, Jumediebia. And was say every major stakeholder behind the party feel happy in the Enyema Obia. When you see the disorganization, as you are seeing, you cannot continue on that path. Say, to please everybody. No. And that's why I make the point, say, should everybody on this tour be allowed to talk? Why should everybody be speaking when it's a thank you tour? Say national executives and the flag bearer and National Council TRC said the flag bearer should invite all the other aspirants and then they contested for flag bearer, not more enjoying it. It doesn't mean everybody on that trip should be made to talk. I don't understand. Because when people still have interest in contesting to become flag bearers again, these issues will come. And it doesn't really tell a good story about your party. It looks too disorganized.
Our only urge Mikrobe need this year.
It looks too disorganized.
Our only urge Mikrobe need this year.
Yes.
Chairman Stephen in team say now on step up game no, because he is still in charge.
Or he's still the national chairman
of the party. You know now.
I can't.
No. There be a look around the what you need power. So what you do? In Kugu and Chilesa or modern boy in the show. There be a full basketer who become play a role and I don't want to do people. But my party is shame, no. I dance here was a one up sabre we no we a penny or the code and him. A dear Nabra motor by ubit me aka. Amasa bahatono. That's your responsibility at this point. It's not to say so just that by way. I mean, you draw attention to it. We continue to be major stakeholders in these two and other political parties because whether it is yes or no, today it is NDC, tomorrow it will be NPP, the next day it will be NDC, until Ghanaians are saying, afraid that maybe we will need a force new from all this. What we know is MPP and this. So we cannot sit unconcerned. It will be so irresponsible to sit unconcerned.
So it is for winning somewhere about beto yepuno so make out say so we subscribe to channel idea bomodia say obe subscribe. Now fe we like video don't give us a thumbs up. Now fe share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo somewhere koso e Ghana memoir. Also wait me atchere wadwen afaye in some way nyina ho e wo comment box no mobeti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.